Hi, my name is Kate, and a few months ago, I traveled to New York City for the first time. It was my first international trip, so I was very excited about it. When I arrived at the airport, a few hours before my flight to New York City, I headed straight to the check-in counter. The staff asked for my passport and ticket, checked everything carefully, then weighed my baggage to ensure it wasn't overweight. After that, she gave me my boarding pass and explained where to go next. Next, I went through security. I had to put all my electronics and my carry-on bag into a tray. To go through the X-ray machine. They also did a quick body scan. After that, I picked up my carry-on bag and went to passport control. This was the final step before heading to my gate. The process was straightforward. They checked my passport and asked a few questions, like where I was staying in New York and the purpose of my visit. Boarding the flight. When I got to the boarding gate, I waited for the staff to start the boarding process. They made an announcement, and the flight hostess welcomed everyone and guided me to my seat. I was lucky to get a window seat, which made me even more excited about the journey. After everyone was on board, the flight attendants went through safety instructions, and soon we were off to New York. A few minutes after takeoff, the air hostess started the in-flight service. She made her way down the aisle with a cart offering beverages, tea, coffee, and soft drinks. Shortly after, she returned with a meal service. The choice was between a hot meal or a cold snack. Options like a sandwich, salad, or pasta. I chose the pasta, and it was served with a small salad, a piece of bread, and a dessert. The meal wasn't gourmet, but it was tasty and a nice way to pass the time. Exploring New York. The flight was smooth, and seeing New York City from above was amazing. Landing at JFK Airport, I felt a mix of nervousness and excitement. The energy at the airport was intense, but everything went smoothly. Clearing customs and immigration was quick, and I was soon on my way into the city. The train ride into Manhattan, the city of New York, showed me how lively it is. Reflections. My first international trip to New York City was an unforgettable experience. It was everything I had dreamed of: the city, the people, the food. All exceeded my expectations. The trip opened my eyes to new possibilities and cultures, and I can't wait for my next adventure.